students, I am your maths teacher. In today's class, we are going to see about the fundamental operations with fractions. So what are all the fundamental operations with fractions? And we are going to have a link with Vii-Maths rule. So addition and subtraction of fractions. So what are all the steps we are going to use while we are using the operations addition and subtraction in fraction? So what is the thing they are telling here is take the following steps to add or subtract two or more fractions. They are given you the steps, just we are going to see the steps and we are going to solve the sums. First one, convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So in your question, if they are going to give you a mixed fraction means, first we are going to convert that mixed fraction into improper fraction. Second, convert all the fractions into like fractions. We are going to convert this into like fractions. After converting, third, add the numerators of the like fractions obtaining in step 2. So while you are adding, you are going to check whether the denominator is going to be same. If not, you are going to take LCM and make the denominator same, then we are going to add. Fourth, write a fraction with the number obtained in step 3 as a numerator and common denominator in step 2 as the denominator. So we will be making the denominator common. Those things we are going to see in the video, students. Step 5, reduce the fraction obtained in step 4 to its simplest form. If it is an improper fraction, express it as a mixed fraction. So based on this idea, we are going to see exercise 2b. Exercise 2b, first sum, simplify. They are given you this question, students. So whatever value they are going to give you, first convert the mixed fraction into proper fraction. So how to convert the mixed fraction into proper fraction? Just for your understanding, I have done the calculation here. 4 9 by 20. To convert this mixed into proper fraction, what I am doing here is denominator 20, keep it as it is. 20 into 4 plus 9. Calculate, you are going to get the answer as 89 by 20. Same way, you are going to convert this value after converting. I am getting the value as 89 by 20 plus 7 by 12, write it as it is, minus 28 by 15. Just for your understanding, I am marking it as equation 1. After writing this particular values, fractions, I am going to check the denominator. The denominators are different here, 20, 12, 15. I am going to take these values to the rough work. Find the LCM for 20, 12 and 15. After finding LCM, I am getting the answer as 60. This particular calculation we are seeing as one exercise, but now we are going to do as a calculation in a sum. So see to that. LCM I am getting the value as 60, students. After getting 60, the main calculation starts from this place. What I am going to do is, first take 89 by 20. Into what if I divide and multiply? Denominator I will get the value as 60. 20 into 3 I will get the value as 60. So divide and multiply by 3. Same way in all the two cases I am going to do like this. 12 into 5 60. 15 into 4 60. If not, you are not able to find the value means divide. 60 divided by 15, you will get the value as 4. The quotient part, automatically you can find the value. 89 by 20 is converted to 267 by 60. 7 by 12 is converted to 35 by 60. And 28 by 15 is converted to 112 by 60. After converting, this equation 1 I am going to replace like this. After replacing, if you check the denominator part, I am getting the value as 60. Whole divided by 60. Top value 267 plus 35 minus 112. Calculate, students. You can calculate in any way. Finally, you will be getting the answer as 190 by 60. Cancel the zeros, 19 by 6. Even if you stop like this, no problem. According to your book, they are converting into mixed fraction. This is a way of calculating. Divide 19 by 6. This value you are going to write it in middle, and remainder you are going to write it in top. So 3 1 by 6. 6 3s are 18 plus 1 19 by 6. So this is a way of doing the calculation in your exercise 2b. Question number 2. Find the following. Same calculation, students. But you have to be careful. If it is necessary, if you are going to get 3 or more operations together means you are going to use Vii-Maths rule. The first question, you are going to get only multiplication. convert the mixed into proper fraction. After converting, cancel the terms. You will get the answer as 80 by 3. All these calculations you are seeing from standard 6. So you have to be very thorough, and the main important thing is you have to work out and see the sums properly. 80 by 3, convert this into mixed fraction, students. So this is a calculation I have given here. 26, 2 by 3. The next question, 3 by 4 of 2, 3 by 7 into 1, 15 by 34. Here I am going to use Bode-Maths rule. What is the rule here? Bracket of. First I am going to calculate the value inside the bracket. Bracket first I am going to convert the mixed into proper fraction. After converting, you are going to solve the value inside the bracket. Instead of you are going to write it as into. 3 by 4 into, calculate this value, students, you will get the answer as 7 by 2. After getting the answer as 7 by 2, multiply, you will get the value as 21 by 8, which is nothing but 2, 5 by 8. Fourth question, mixed fraction of this particular value. So instead of you are going to write it as into. 6 by 5 minus 17 by 18 is inside the bracket. What is the rule? Bode-Maths, bracket of. Inside the bracket, you are going to solve the value first. What I am doing here is just I am bringing to the rough work. 6 by 5 minus 17 by 18. Take LCM here, students. I am getting it as 90. All these calculations I have given here. Just work out and see the sum. You will understand the concept. 90, make the denominator common. After making the denominator common, 108 minus 85, calculate, you will get the answer as 23 by 90. 23 by 90. 117 by 23, convert this 40 by 23, calculate the value, you will get the answer as 4 by 9. Number 3, 7. 3, 7 and 8, if you see the questions, both the questions are going to be same here, students. What is the thing here is, they will be changing the bracket. According to that, you are going to do the calculation. Coming to this question, Bode-Maths rule. You are going to apply the Bode-Maths rule here. First, inside the bracket, first I am going to solve the division. Convert this division into multiplication. That is 1 by 2. You will be writing it as 2 by 1. Division, if you are going to convert it to multiplication, means this next fraction will be changed as reciprocal, 2 by 1. After converting, you will get the value as 1 by 6. Calculate this, that is, you can take LCM. When you are taking LCM, you will get the value as 12. Calculate, students, you will get the answer as 1 by 12. After solving, you will get the answer as 1 by 18. Both 7 and 8 question are same, but the way of writing the bracket is different. So the answer is also going to differ in this place. So you have to be very careful. Bracket, first you are going to give the preference, students. Bracket of. That is a rule we are going to apply in Bode-Maths rule. Bracket value I am solving here. After solving the bracket value, I am getting the value as 2 by 12. Then go for the division. First convert this division into multiplication, means this will be changed to reciprocal, 2 by 1. Everything is in the form of multiplication. Cancel the value. You will get the answer as 2 by 9. Question number 4. Simplify. They are given you this question, students. But if you observe in this place, we are going to apply Bode-Maths rule. But if you observe, you are having two types of bracket in this place. One is the bracket which is inside, open bracket and square bracket. While you are getting two or more brackets, what is the concept we are going to apply here is, we are going to go to the innermost part. First, you are going to solve this particular value inside the bracket. Then you are going to come to the outermost part. So first, what is the same procedure? Convert the mixed fraction into proper fraction. The remaining also you can convert this fractions. Mixed fractions first convert into proper fraction. After converting the fractions, what I am doing here is, inside the bracket, calculate the value, make the denominator same. You will get the value as 44 by 15. After calculating, come to this division part. Division into multiplication, 5 by 22. That is, you are going to change into reciprocal, 5 by 22. Calculate. You will get the value as 2 by 3. So after simplifying, you will get the answer as 4 by 5. If you make any changes, if you do in any other way, without using Bode-Maths rule, if you go by any other way, you will get some other answer. But the answer will not be correct. You must get 4 by 5 as your answer. Question number 7. If you see here, we are having 3 different types of bracket. One is flower bracket, open bracket and a bar line. First I am going to go to the innermost part, students. So be careful, innermost bracket of, but bracket itself we are having 3 different categories. We are going to go for the bar line. Instead of bar line, I am putting the open bracket for your understanding. I am writing it here. First solve the value which is inside. After solving this one, I will get the answer as 11 by 20. And then I am going one bracket, that is one bar bracket, that is will be removed. 2 by 3 into 11 by 20. Solve this one, students. Bracket means first you are going to concentrate in that one, even if you are going to have different types of operations. 2 by 3 into 11 by 20. If you calculate, you will get the answer as 11 by 30. Then I am going to come for only one bracket, flower bracket. Calculate, you will get the value as 55 by 30. After getting 55 by 30, simplify the term. Most of the time you will be finding denominator. To make denominator same, you will be finding LCM. Wherever necessary, you are going to try the rough work. 23 by 3 plus 11 by 6, make the denominator same. Divide and multiply by 2, that is 46 by 6 plus 11 by 6. Calculate, you will get the answer as 19 by 2. So it is all based on simplification. The main thing is you have to work out as many times as possible till you get a clear idea of the sum. You are going to work out the sum as many times as possible. Last question, question number 8, students. So if you come to question number 8, here also we are having square bracket, flower bracket and open bracket. The main concept is go to the innermost part. 1 by 5 plus 3 by 7. Solve this one, students. After solving, making the LCM, taking LCM, making the denominator same. After solving, I am getting the answer as 22 by 35. After solving 22 by 35, come to the flower bracket, students. Make the division into multiplication. Change this into reciprocal. 35 by 22. 11 by 7 into 35 by 22. Solve this one. You will get the answer as 5 by 2. Coming to the square bracket. Addition, multiplication. The first preference you are going to give only for the multiplication according to Vii-Maths rule. Multiply this value 15 by 16. Make the denominator same. Calculate, you will get the answer as 25 by 16. After simplifying, you are going to get the answer as 15 by 4. Convert this into mixed fraction 3 by 4. So in this class, we have completed the calculation based on fractions and Vii-Maths rule, students. The main thing is you have to work out the sums as many times as possible. Only if you give work for your hand, you will understand the concept of doing the sum. You will have a clear idea of doing the sum, students. Wherever necessary, do your rough work and write your classwork note neatly. Thank you.